How to get iOS emoji on any Android device. Today's video is a complete tutorial on how you can get iOS emoji on any Android device. Don't miss any part of this video because you will find some issues. And also do come to today's like game, it's 20. With that said, let's get started. The very first step you need to do is install an application called the Z Font 3. It's completely free and you can change the system font and emoji without any root. Open this application and allow all the permission it would ask for. Then scroll down and go to the emoji section and you'll find iOS 16 emoji. Click that and hit download. And click on apply. It may take a few seconds, then you have to follow all the instructions given here. Before reaching to this page, it will ask about your phone's brand and which Android version it's running on. You just click on auto option. Now these steps may not be similar on your phone, like if your OS is One UI, then you need to backup and restore. If it's MIUI, it's different. If it's Color OS, Font Touch OS, it's different. After following all the steps, as you can see, the emoji has been applied all over my phone, in social media, any sites, and even on my keyboard. Now if you find some problems, don't forget to comment down. That's it for now guys. If you enjoyed this video, then give this video a like and also do come to today's like game and also follow me on Instagram, and if you're new here then subscribe this channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.